continuing the process here. According to the quick start assembly instructions, you push this part of the handle into that, and then this piece goes on the end. It's the exact same. This is a different color, and this piece right here is a different color, but everything else is exactly the same. This is the piece that's going to fail first. This is the part that's going to break. And I'll push that to remove the roller so that I can clean it from hair and strings and all the things. That, more specifically this piece fits around that, and it's going to strip out. These edges are going to get rounded, and I'm going to have to use foamy shelf liner or something rubbery and grippy to wedge in there, but it will get me another couple of good years out of it. And like I said, for the power that it has and the fact that I know I can rig it and make it last multiple years, that's what makes this worth buying again. I already have 2 others. So there's that. That's why I rebought it. And so far it is exactly as I expected.
Had to take apart the vacuum to get all the dog hair out. It shut itself off. And the light is blinking. This is just some of the debris. And there's more. And you barely see it in there. And I've already pulled out all this hair.